Take the generator, mount it on the 4 panel mounts. Next, we'll mount the ground cable onto the grounding stud. We'll reconnect the X19 mains plug, the X18 HA plug. We'll go up the line and reconnect all of our plugs. The X7, X6, the X5, and the X3 plug. Each system will have a different set of wires. Don't necessarily take into effect that this one has so many. When you reconnect the plugs, please reconnect the grounding straps for all the shielding of the cables. On this demo unit, they are not currently installed. Lastly, we can replace the cover, taking care not to pinch any cables.